You how to convert from decimal to binary. I'm pretty sure maybe some of you know this. Apologies for the noise, I'm in the library. Okay, so we are given 205 this IP address. Let's say we're given this IP address and we have to convert it to binary. I think you're most definitely gonna need a calculator for this, unless if you have a quick brain. Well, I don't. So say you take the first number. Let's start with 205. Going to have, you see, 205 divided by 2. We're going to divide by 2 all the time. Divide by 2. If you punch this on the calculator, it's going to give you somewhere around, is it 102.5? 102.5. So you take the 102, and then because of that 0.5, you write R1 all the time. Whenever you try to divide something and you get a 0.5, you write R1. It's call it remainder 1, it's fine. So then you come here, you take 102 divided by 2. 102 divided by 2, it's going to give you 51. This one doesn't have that 0.5. It doesn't have a remainder actually, so it's going to be R0. And then you come here again, 51 divided by 2 is equal to 25.5, so it's going to be R1. And then 25 divided by 2 is going to give you 12.5, so it's going to be R1. And then 12 divided by 2, it's going to give you 6. It doesn't have a remainder, so it's R0. 6 divided by 2, it's going to give you 3. It doesn't have a remainder, so it's R0. 3 divided by 2, it's going to give you 1 point. It's going to give you 3 divided by 2, it's going to give you somewhere 1.5. So you're going to have 1 as a remainder. And then 1 divided by 2, that is going to have 0, R remainder 1. So what happens here, look, what you're going to take are these values. You see these values? Let me use another card. You're going to take these values, all these values. So what is it going to be? You're going to write these values from, so your answer is going to be 1 1, like you write from here upwards. So you're going to have 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is the binary. This is the binary for this 205. Now we move to this one, 16. Now we move to this one. You're going to have 16 divided by 2. It's going to give you 8. Remember, it doesn't have a remainder, so it's going to be 0. Now you have 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. It doesn't have a remainder, 0. 4 divided by 2, it's going to be 2, doesn't have a remainder, 0. 2 divided by 2, it's going to be 1. It doesn't have a remainder, 0. 1 divided by 2, it's going to give you what? It's going to give you, now you're going to have a remainder, so it's going to be 0, R1. And then this is what we have, you see. So in this instance, what you're going to do, you're going to write, since these values are not these values are not 8, it's only 1 2 3 4 and 5 of them. So you're going to write it from top to bottom, making it from your right hand side to your left hand side. So it's going to be 0 0 0 0 1. Then the remaining digits are zeros. So you count 1 2 3 4 5. You need 3 remaining digits to make it 8. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3. This is your binary number for 16 for this value. Now we're going to 37. And remember always if you don't have 8 values here, you're going to use this formula of this method of trying to write from top to bottom, making it from your right hand side to your left hand side. Then the remaining values is going to be zeros. So again, now we have 30. Let me check. We have 37. We have 37 divided by 2. It's going to give you this. Surely this number is going to have a remainder 0.5. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be 18.5. So this is 18 remainder 1. And then again come here, 18 divided by 2, it's going to give you 9. It doesn't have a remainder, I'm pretty sure. 9 divided by 2, it's going to have a remainder of 4 point something, so you're going to have 4 remainder 1. And then here 4 divided by 2, you're going to have 2 not remainder r. It's going to have 2 do not have a remainder. Sorry, it's going to be 1 without a remainder. 1 divided by 2, this is going to be, there's going to be a 0 with a remainder now. Okay, hopefully this is correct. And then check here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you do not have 8 digits. So what you're going to do is, remember, you're taking take all these values from top to bottom, making it from top to bottom, it's going to be 1 0 1 0 0 1, and then you need 2 values to make it 8. So you're going to have 0 0. The remaining ones were 2. Now these are your digits. Your final answer is going to be, let me just save time and try to copy. Final answer is going to be we have this one from 205, then the other one, where is it, from 16. Here it is. Then the other one is from 37. The other one is from 37. Other one is from 37. Copy, paste. And then the remaining one, you will do that. Yeah, you will do it yourself. I think you now do have an understanding of how to do this. The remaining one has to be 39. So you will do the 39 one somewhere, wherever you'll be doing on your book. Do the 39 one, then when you're done, you put it here, you edit here. So this should be your final answer. Thank you.